Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Patel and I welcome you to our YouTube channel named Code Detectors. So these are the functions that our AI can perform. If you want to learn all these functions, I have given link in description. You can go there and watch it from there. So in this video, we are going to learn about that how to play video and music. So first of all, I will show you the output of our code. Suppose if I type here play video, the video should be played. Yes, as you can see, video is playing. Now I will type play music. Yes, music is also playing. So without wasting time, let's start. I will create one folder on desktop and name it play video. In this folder, we will save our program. So to type our program, we are using here CodeBlocks IDE. So these are the header files that are required for our program: windows.h, mmsystem.h, stdio.h and darren.h. I will just copy it from here so that time will be not wasted, and I will save this as video.c. Before starting for our program, we will have to do one setting. In the settings section, in the compiler section, in the linker setting, we will have to add vnmm.library compulsory. I have added already, so I will not add again. Okay, yes. So first of all, I will type one welcome message for user. Welcome to code iterators. Yes, this is our welcome message. And now I will declare one character array char ch of size 100. I forgot to put semicolon here. In C language, to take input from user, we generally use scanf, but I will not use here scanf because while using scanf, it does not consider space as an input. So I will use here getS. In getS, space will be also considered as input. So getS character. Okay. Now I will compare the user's input to our input. Okay. Suppose if a user writes play video, then the string will be compared with play video equal to 0. Yes. Now the main parts come, that how to play video. First of all, we will have to use change directory function and system function. Okay, change directory function to open VLC media player. You can use any VLC, means any player if which you want to play video or music. If you want to play 3-to-1 media player, you can also use that. So I am using change directory function. Change directory. I will give the path of the VLC media player. Path of the VLC media player is in this PC, in the C drive, in program 86 video LAN VLC. Yes, I will just copy this path and paste it here. One important notice is that here we will have to give 2 backward slash to run our program. So I am giving here 2 backward slash semicolon. Another function is system. In system function, we will give the path of the file that which we want to play. Suppose if I want to play in the D, suppose I want to play dono file, I will write here D colon dono.mp4. okay, for file format is mp4, so I will write here dono.mp4. so I will now run the program as play video. As you can see, the video is playing. Suppose if I want to play the music, same process. I will just copy it from here and paste it. Suppose if user writes play music, music should be played. Video player will be VLC, and this file name will be changed here. mp3 file. Yes, this is the mp3 file sultana. sultana.mp3. Now I will run the program I will try it. Play music. As you can see, music is also playing. You can use here any file format which your video player supports. So VLC was supporting MP4 and MP3, so it can play MP3 and MP4 and many other extensions. So there is our Instagram page named Coditators. You can go there and follow it. If you have any query, you can message us on Instagram or in the comment section. Here you can find many programming facts, programming knowledge. Yes, that's all. Thank you.